YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yes, dope project. We love dope project. So, ladies, I know right now summer coming around, y'all still trying to be fly and fashionable at the same damn time, and I'm going to show you how you can make this oversized sweatshirt dress. And hey, it can be cheap and it can be easy, and it's easy to do. You know what I'm saying? If you want to stand out from the rest, but you always want to look your best, you know? Ooh, I like that. Put that on the shirt or something. Ooh, I like it. But I'm going to show you how you can do this. You can achieve this at home. You can try this. If you have a shirt at home, or if you want to purchase a new oversized sweatshirt, do this, try this, achieve this. Let's go to the table of greatness. Make this happen. Let's go. Okay. So this is the sweatshirt that I'm going to be using. As you can already see, I started deconstructing it. So I took off the rib knit waistband, because when you're actually cutting this down, you want to take that off. That's how I do it. Some people might do it differently, but I want to take mine off because I'm changing the waistband out anyway, because I don't want it to look regular degular and everything like that. I don't want it to all be one piece. The words on here are black already. So we are going to go with a black rib knit fabric for the waistband. So this is how you want to do this. If you're doing it for yourself, ladies, it'll be pretty straightforward and easy. You know your waist size, and you'll just measure to your waist size. But if you're doing it for somebody else, what you will want to do is measure the garment from end to end on one side. One side, as you can see, this is saying this piece is, one side is 25.5 inches. So 25.5 inches multiplied by 2, that is 51 inches. So if the garment is 51 inches, and let's just say you want to go to 40 inches, your waist is 40 inches or whatever like that. So what you're going to do is I'm going to take off 3 inches off of each side. So that's 3 inches off of each side, but if you time that by 4, that'll give you 40 inches. That'll give you 40 inches minus what you need to take off. So you want to measure that, which is the waist. Then you want to measure what's your butt area. Your butt area might be a little bit wider, so you want to measure your butt area. Then you want to subtract what you need from your butt area, so you know you still want to flare out around your hips, around your butt, so it can fit real good. It don't want to be too tight and too restricted. As you can see, everything is already sewn up. What we're about to do is attach the waistband to it. Then we probably add a little distress to it just to give it a little bit more flavor. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, them the last two things I gotta do, and then, you know what I'm saying, it should be done. And then we'll see how it fit her and everything like that. So, you know what I'm saying, we can check this out together. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, my measurements was on point and it fit her just right and everything looked good. So, hey, let me just do this. Watch me work. All right. So now it's already been serged, sewn one time and serged. Now we finna top stitch it just to finish it off, to give it that nice super duper clean look. So that's what we're about to do now. You can see how I'm doing it. You want to get almost as close to edge as you can, because you want to actually sew this down underneath. If you can see that, you want to sew the edge that's been sewn, serged, and you want to sew it down. So we're just gonna top stitch it, and then so you can watch what I do. So let's go. So now we got everything sewn together. What we're gonna do is add a little distress to the dress now. I have distressed many of things, but this is the first time I'm gonna try with my Dremel bit. Heard that it was pretty good, and I'm gonna try it myself and show you how it comes out. So yeah, let's get to it. Project. It looks super dope. I need to get off into more women fashions. I think I'm gonna do that so I can start bringing that to the channel, because ladies, I don't want y'all to feel neglected at all, because Sauce Boss love the ladies. Just letting you know. But hey, let's no further ado. Let's get over here and see how it came out. Alright.
Then I swerve, do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, track a pose, make it work, do your dance, make it work, track a pose. Strike a pose, girl, strike a pose, girl. I could spend it on you, freeze you up, you cold, girl. Put you in positions, curling up your toes, girl. Even when I'm gone, I only want you close, girl. If I win, she win, we count the meals together. If it's real, it's real, this'll be forever. If it's hot or cold, get through any weather. If it's all I know, together we're better. She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, track a pose. Make it work, do your dance, make it work, track a pose.
What y'all think about that project? It was super fun, super dope. It gave it a whole different twist, just adding the extra features on it. From here all the way up to there, through the roof, for sure. You know what I'm saying? So hey, if this something that you want to attempt, just go ahead. And if you can't, hit your boy up. I'm always available. But hey, I want to just say one more thing. Never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy Sauce Boss. Till the next time, you know I'm out.